Ever wanted your WooCommerce store to look more like a premium magazine spread? With Shoplentor's product grid, editorial layout, you can turn ordinary product listings into a modern editorial browsing experience. Clean, stylish, and visually rich. To get started, go to Dashboard, Shoplentor, Settings, Elements. Find Product Grid, Editorial Layout, switch it on, and the widget becomes instantly available inside both Elementor and Gutenberg. You can add the editorial layout in 2 quick ways. Method 1. Go to Shoplentor, Template Builder, click Add New, and when the pop-up appears, fill in your details. Enter your template name, for example, Editorial Shop Page. Choose your template type, and select which editor you want to use, Elementor or Gutenberg. Here, I'm choosing Elementor. Make sure to enable Set Default so this becomes your active template. Next, choose the pre-designed product grid, editorial layout. Click Save, and you're ready to start designing your high-end shop page. Or, Method 2, open any page in Elementor or Gutenberg, search for product grid, editorial layout, and drag it into your layout. Boom! Your products instantly appear in a beautifully structured editorial-style grid. Now, let's shape your product showcase. Start with query settings. Choose which products to display. All products featured, on sale, best-selling, top-rated, recently viewed, or manual selection. Filter by categories or tags, exclude specific items, hide out-of-stock products, and sort them by date, title, price, popularity, or rating. Next, choose your view mode. Then move to Layout Settings. Here you control the structure of your grid. Grid View gives you a clean, image-focused editorial look. List View delivers a more detailed product story with longer descriptions and an Add to Cart button. And the Grid List toggle lets customers switch between both views instantly. Set how many columns you want on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Adjust the column and row gaps for comfortable spacing, and align your product cards left, center, or right so the overall layout feels balanced and intentional. Under Display Settings, toggle what you want to show: the product image, title, price, rating, categories, description, stock indicator, view details, and quick action buttons like Wish List or Quick View. Enable badges like Sale, New, or Trending, customize their style and position, and set how many days a product should be marked as new. In Grid View, you can enable descriptions, control length, show stock indicators, enable the View Details button, and choose aspect ratios like 1:1, 3:4, 4:5, or 9:16. Common settings let you change in-stock or out-of-stock text. Additional settings add motion with card hover effects, image hover effects, and quick action icons. In advanced settings, choose how your products load. Use classic pagination, a load more button, or smooth infinite scroll. In the Style tab, you define the entire visual identity. Card backgrounds, borders, shadows, image styles, typography, badges, prices, ratings, buttons, quick actions, and pagination. This is where your editorial look gains its personality and premium polish. When everything feels right, click Publish, open your shop page, and test both grid and list views across desktop, tablet, and mobile. Your editorial product grid is now live, clean, modern, and magazine-inspired. If you want your WooCommerce store to feel premium, editorial, and beautifully designed, the product grid, editorial layout, delivers that experience instantly. Easy to set up, powerful to customize, beautiful to browse.
To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Has Themes on YouTube.